Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start inside the Steam client, open the top right account menu now, and select Settings or Account Details on older clients. You do this to reach Steam's language controls and avoid changing while games update. Once in Settings, choose Interface or Account section, depending on version, because the language option lives there. Make sure to pause active downloads and close intensive games to prevent file locks. This keeps the client responsive while you change language and avoids restart conflicts. You now change the client language by opening Interface and using the Select Language dropdown, pick your preferred language. Once done, Steam will prompt you to restart to apply the new language. This is normal because menu strings and dialogues reload only on restart. Make sure to save any in-game progress and close secondary apps before accepting. After restart, verify top menus and store text reflect the new language, and if not, repeat selection and restart once more to enforce the change. You finish by setting individual game languages. Right-click a game in your library, open Properties, then the Language tab and choose the language for that title. Some games download extra language packs or require a small reinstall, so be prepared to let Steam fetch files. This ensures in-game text and audio match your selection. If a game won't change, make sure to verify integrity of game files, clear Steam's download cache, and restart the client. These steps fix most language and content mismatches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.